Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to screen mirror your iPhone, which is iPhone 17 or any iPhone to your TV. Alright, so this is a LG TV, this is a LG AI ThinQ TV. Alright, so as you can see here, it should work just the same across all LG TVs. So in order to screen mirror, you're gonna go ahead guys, as seen here. Forgive me, I'm doing this with one hand, and we're gonna swipe down from the upper left. So you're gonna go ahead and swipe down. All right guys, so once you swipe down from the upper left, forgive me again, with the one hand, you'll see this option right here. You're gonna tap on the option here that says screen mirror. So go ahead and tap. Alright, so once you tap guys, as you swipe down on top, the screen mirror as just seen before, you're gonna go ahead and tap here. Notice it says WebOS LG TV, that's my TV in the background. As you can see the model number, it shows AirPlay and it gives you the code. You're gonna enter the code. So I'm gonna enter the code as seen there. So these TVs, newer TVs, they actually come built in with AirPlay features to allow you to connect to your phone. So as you can see there guys, my iPhone is now connected and I can exit. All right, so there you go. And again guys, you can see anything that the phone does, this one will do. I can play games, I can actually go ahead and show photos and videos, and they'll be projected on the TV. All right, so this is very nice. You'll know it's happening because of course if you look in the dynamic island at the top there, you'll see that it actually shows a display and show that it's mirroring currently. So no one can actually hook up your device without you knowing. All right, it'll be clearly evident that you're connected to AirPlay on your LG TV. All right, so what you're gonna do next is to once again swipe down here if you want to stop the process. So forgive me guys, it's very difficult to do this with one hand. All right, so you can go back to the control center here and you can actually tap on this option or tap the dynamic island and hit stop. So I'm going to hit here, then I'm going to hit stop mirroring. All right, so once you do, the TV is going to return to its normal. So as you can see, their TV is back to normal. And that's how you mirror your iPhone to your TV. Hope that was helpful. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.